My name is Kelly Miller. I'm the president of Pine Needles, Mid Pines, and now Southern Pines Golf Club. We're excited here. I've just finished a major restoration of Southern Pines Golf Club. So really when people come out here, they'll have an opportunity to see the 3 different eras of Ross's design philosophy. So different at Mid Pines, Pine Needles, and now Southern Pines.
People are going to love just having the chance to play all 3 because they're all a little different.
We wanted to give it the feel of Ross's 1910s and 20s work, which is really his most raw work, his most artistic work, and his most aggressive work. We got a hold of some fantastic diagrams early on in the process, which are one of our best assets for understanding what Ross was trying to accomplish.
And outstanding work by Kyle France, Dave Frichty, Cody, our superintendent, and their staffs have worked hard, and I think people should come out here and really enjoy all their hard work.
If you really want to do truly great artistic work, you just got to keep picking away at it, because Mother Nature's going to play catch with you. It's going to throw it back and give you some cool natural plants that come back, and then you'll do a little bit more, and so it goes. And a few years out, it's going to look like we did no work at all, and it really feel like a great old 1920s Ross course, just like going back in time.
It's great right now, and it's going to be tremendous.
It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's visually stunning. There are places where you can stand and actually see 6 greens at one time.
Our emphasis has been, right from the beginning, was to work on the golf course 100%. So all of our time, attention, capital has been really kind of geared towards doing that.
What I was really impressed with was how much more the course focuses on shot making with all the new bunkering.
It just feels more open. You know, I know they took a lot of trees out, and you get the view of so many of the other holes in the course. Not that they're on top of you, but it's just the landscape's so pretty.
Southern Pines Golf Club, we're located here in downtown Southern Pines. Really one of Ross's unique creations here. So I hope people have the opportunity to come out here, enjoy it, and even if you don't want to play, just come around, walk, and enjoy the beauty of the golf course here. It's not far from downtown Southern Pines.